NUST Chip Design Centre, NCDC, a national platform built to develop Pakistan's next generation of chip design engineers. Led by its project director, NCDC brings together advanced semiconductor labs, industry-standard EDA tools, experienced mentors, and a research-driven environment under one roof. This is where students and trainees move beyond theory. They design, they verify, they simulate, they test, they collaborate. From digital IC design and digital design verification to analog and mixed signal IC design, NCDC provides hands-on exposure to the complete chip design journey, from concept to implementation, and from lab work to real tape-out-oriented projects. Here, learning is not limited to classrooms. It happens through real projects, technical mentorship, industry engagement, and access to a growing semiconductor ecosystem at NUST. NCDC is not just preparing individuals for careers. It is helping build Pakistan's semiconductor capability. One engineer, one design, and one innovation at a time. This is NUST Chip Design Centre. This is where Pakistan's semiconductor future begins.